Our students are now ready to present a series of the performances and national pride. So let us sit back and enjoy these vibrant cultural representation by the talented student of SFS. The auspicious occasions begins by singing our blessings. Let us now invite our school choir to present the prayer song. May the Almighty bless our country with peace, prosperity,